Welcome everyone. So look what we have got today. We have today Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and one case. So let's unbox. So brand new Zenfone Max Pro M2 4GB LTE supported, and this is 5000 mAh battery. You can clearly see that. And it has 4GB of RAM that you can see here. 4GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage, 6.3-inch Full HD display. So let's tear this one. So first thing is that some documents and SIM ejector pins, and these are the IMEI numbers, user guide, and sorts of thing. One case, one silicone case. Jelly is totally free. That's the Zenfone. Wow, nice. Let's keep it aside and see. USB type A to micro USB, power adapter. It is rated so let me boot this up. On the top we have secondary microphone, on the right we have voice, volume up and volume down button, power button. In the bottom we have the speaker out vent, micro USB port, primary microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left we have SIM ejector, SIM insert place. On the back we have the fingerprint scanner, Asus logo, some marketing information, and dual camera setup with the flash. And it is totally made of glass. So let's power this on. Here another case is there, softer like this, same sort of case is there. So Let's set up. So it's complete. You can see no bloatwares are there. Totally this is installed. And let me check the memory. So out of 64 GB, 9.78 GB is used, and that in case of RAM I have to check also. So it is 8.1.0, you can see.